Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil light indicator on a Suzuki Outboard. Now I've got a 50 horsepower 4-stroke Suzuki that I use on my little 16-foot Carolina skiff. When the oil light indicator comes on, that doesn't mean that you're out of oil. It's just an indicator that it's time to change the oil and the oil filter. After you change the oil in the oil filter, you do have to go through a couple of steps in order to reset or get that blinking red light to go off. Fairly simple. Just remove the key and the emergency kill switch cord or lanyard. Then put the key back in, energize it, don't start the engine, and then you want to pull out on that kill switch a total of 3 times. And you'll hear a few beeps. I think I actually did it 4 times. Still works. Now you can replace that kill switch lanyard, and when you start the engine back up, that oil light, indicator light, should be off. Very, very simple to do. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a bunch of boating and nautical related do-it-yourself projects on there for you to check out. Thank you very much for watching.